You take your own temperature, thermometer. What percentage are you Krishna conscious? Take a day, take 24 hours a day. Pretend one day, one day equals one jivan. So 24 hours. So out of 24 hours, 8 hours sleeping. So 8 hours sleeping. So now if that's 8 hours means 33%, 1/3, 33%. I'm in Maya, illusion. So now the balance of this day, this one day is one life. Some little tiny fly, little kita, is one 24 hours, birth, marriage, bach, everything die. 24, 24 घंटा जीवन हो गया. So, and Kuta lives maybe 10 years, 7 years. We live 80 saal. Elephant lives 150. So, like that. So one day. So now 8 hours sleeping. Now only 16 hours. Then bathing, this, that, and all that. And then eating and cooking. And then 5, 6, 7 hours. So a little japa, 2 hours japa, 1 hour reading, little puja. 3, 4 hours. Say 4 hours a day, some Krishna bhajan. Maximum 6. So that means 6 hours in one day means 25% Krishna conscious? In one sense. We don't know how much that detachment is.